Okay, maybe tell me, did you try those samples?
Yeah, very good.
Refreshing, right?
Yeah, strawberry.
And you did not like Starbucks?
Yeah, just that hot coffee.
Just the hot coffee. Actually, it's a pretty new one, and I like this decoration, this bowl. It's a very small IKEA here. Just want to take a short video of the marketplace. Today's food. Mini-IKEA in Discovery Bay. You can obviously also order and they will bring it here. No furniture, just the household items. Also items and also food, meatballs, etc. Though I don't really particularly like their meatballs. This one's nicer. We have one, but it's plastic. So.
Basically, get drunk and you'll feel better.
No, thank you very much. Okay, so basically it. Very, very small. Probably need to refresh these ones in the accounts. We are heading back home now, but we will take another road to tunnel. It's a walking tunnel, not tunnel to Discovery Bay, just from one side to this, not tunnel to 29Jul22. Yeah, it's just a small tunnel connecting. And on that K90. And football and everything. Of course, too hot now for kids to play, but frequently we see cricket children.
Touch rugby, one of the touch rugby teams plays down there, and they actually do some rugby training as well for the kids teams.
Yeah.
Discovery Bay Pirates.
Okay, today is a day of big insects. Yeah. Don't know. That's not too dangerous, but we are out of tunnel. Here was the tunnel. Now walking back. Usually it's very nice walk, but not at 1 o'clock under the sun. New site for construction. Will be more buildings in Discovery Bay. Probably last phase of developments, because Discovery Bay has a limit of 25,000 people water supply, so they cannot actually construct larger buildings than that without significantly improving infrastructure. Okay. That's the way to 29Jul tunnel, the main way out other than ferries.